y'all, it's Christie with Homes and Things, and in today's video we are going to be touring the Millhouse by Buccaneer. It's out here at Custom Homes of Cordele in Cordele, Georgia. I'm super excited to be back touring homes, so let's get into it. Again, y'all, this is the Millhouse. It's a Buccaneer home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's just over 1,900 square feet. This is the perimeter of the house. We're gonna walk around and give you just a look at the home so that you can see what the exterior features look like. You have a transom window that's probably the master. We're gonna get into the inside of the house in just a minute. You've got a side door here, and then this is the back of the home right here. Lots of great windows. This home is kind of dark. It has dark features. Of course, when you're ordering the home, if you custom build the home, you can use whatever exterior and interior colors that are available. This home has darker interior on the inside. This home has also just been put together, so it doesn't have furniture and it needs to be cleaned up, but it has such nice features that I thought I'd give you a look. It has a built-in front porch. Love the space on the porch. And I love the brick trim, really nice. So this is the front porch. Love the black railing, really nice. So this is what the porch looks like. Let's go inside. Again, this home has just been put together, so it does need to be cleaned up and it's not furnished yet. But this is what it looks like when you walk in. This is a window. So when you walk in, you have this huge window here that you can see into the dining room. Really pretty. And it helps you to see into the dining room. And then behind the door, you have this seating area here. So it's a built-in seating area. You got cubby holes down there for shoes. You've got hooks up here for coats. And you have a built-in light, which is a nice touch. Really nice. So this is a really nice foyer. It has the beams in the ceiling, which is also super, super nice. I'm gonna leave the door open for light in here, but this is gorgeous. I just want to close it really briefly so you can get a good look at what that area looks like from inside the house. Really nice. And I might leave it and see how we do. Turn it around, you are facing the living room. Lots of lighting. You have beams in the ceiling, as well as a wooden ceiling in the dining room and kitchen area, which I absolutely love. It gives this home kind of like a cabin feel. I love the fireplace, and the floors are absolute gorgeous. Really pretty. Again, this home was just put together, you guys. This is a real fireplace, and I love the wooden mantle, which is solid wood, gorgeous. Love the fireplace. The brick is just like the trim outside. And it's 2 big windows in this living room area, bringing in lots of light. I love the huge ceiling fan. Really nice modern ceiling fan against all vintage trim. So that brings a nice mix. Super. Behind the living room, you have your dining room area. This home is really pretty. This dining room is a nice size. I love the vintage look chandelier at the top. I love the window. When you're having dinner with the family, you can see who's coming through the front door. Greet your guests that just walked in. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. So that's the dining room and the living room. And of course, the kitchen is next to it. This is your kitchen. Again, that wooden ceiling goes from the living room into the kitchen. You have a huge island, and you have just as much space on your countertops in the kitchen. You've got 3 big picture windows. Love the industrial sink here. Gorgeous. You have stainless steel appliances in here. Just gorgeous. You can imagine standing at that sink and looking out the window at the kids playing or the lake or wherever you have this home. I love the fact that for every cabinet there is a shelf above, which gives you lots of storage opportunities, and that is on both sides of the kitchen. Really wonderful. You can probably put about 6 stools here, which is nice depending on how they're made. 4 to 6 stools at this huge island. Love it. Your stove is here. Again, lots of counter space in here. Shelving and cabinet space galore. Love it. Love the huge hood over the stove. This is a ceramic stove. Depending on where you move, you might choose different. And you've got lots of pantry space around the refrigerator. Gorgeous. Now next to the kitchen, you have your laundry room. Here, this is that side door. Again, you have another place for hats and coats and shoes and everything. Over here, right by the door, you have additional cabinet and counter space here, which is really nice. You have a window that opens. You can put a deep freezer or more cabinet space in there if you like. And then next to it, you walk into the laundry room area right here. So really nice. You have a sink in here, more cabinet space with the sink, and then your washer and dryer go over here, and you have shelving above. So really nice. Absolutely love it. And of course you have another window. Lots of window and cabinet space in this house. Lots of natural light coming in here. Even though the features in this house are dark, there is a lot of storage and there's a lot of windows. So really nice. We're back in the kitchen. Through that door was the side door in the laundry room. Through here are the additional bedrooms. So when you come in to this area, the first thing you reach to the left is storage space. So this is more of a linen closet area. Really nice. You got lots of cabinet space in there. You have an additional bedroom here. So this is the additional bedroom. Your closet is over there. We'll take a look at the closet. So it has a walk-in closet here, which is nice. And so that's the first bedroom we got to. Next to that bedroom, that's the transom window that we saw. You have your bathroom here. Lovely. It has a transom window. You have a tub and shower combo in this bathroom. I love the features, the black hardware, which is really nice. No mirror in here, but they either haven't put it in yet or you can order the one that you want. So this is your secondary bathroom. And then here is bedroom number 3 right here. So it looks to be about the same size as the first bedroom. And it also has a walk-in closet. Really nice. I'm assuming that this beautiful door probably goes in the master. So let's go take a look. And again, this is its own little hallway. These 2 bedrooms and bathroom. And then your guests would use that bathroom as well. So we're gonna go through the kitchen, past the dining room and the front door, and we're gonna go over to the master. This first room, you got your coat closet here right by the front door. These are probably water heater, and that won't open, but I'm pretty sure that's the heating and air unit. So this is the master. Love it. Love the detail that mirrors the detail in the common area of the house. Beautiful. Yep, this is where that door goes, you guys. So you've got a barn door that goes over your bathroom. Really nice. When you walk in, the first thing you see are the 2 sinks. Lots of cabinet and shelving space here. And then you also have open shelving here. Really lovely. Around this corner from the sink is the toilet area. So you have a little privacy if you and your mate are both in the bathroom. One's in the shower, one's on the toilet, or one's at the sink, right? And then this area opens up into a beautiful shower and a beautiful tub in front of two big, beautiful picture windows. Let's have a moment of silence for this beautiful tub. This tub is gorgeous. That tub is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It's so nice and bright. I would make a lot of videos in here. You've got a huge, and I don't know if I can open this door because of that tape. Oh, yep. You've got a huge shower, lots of seating, real seating. Love it. You have the double shower. Not the double shower. You have a huge shower head in here. It does have can lighting in here, which is really nice. And the floor of this shower is as big as a twin bed. Y'all see that? Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. So that is the shower. Love that it has a little separation from the rest of the bathroom. Absolutely love that tub. Completely gorgeous. Really nice. I was worried about the lighting in here, but we were fine. Now you may not completely be able to see in this master closet, but it is a nice size master closet. That is what it looks like. Really nice. It's big enough for me. Love it. So you guys, again, this is the Millhouse. It's a Buccaneer home. It's out here at Custom Home in Cordele, Georgia. All of their information will be in the description. This home lot model is priced at $203,000 plus tax. Now that doesn't include any custom. That is this lot model's price, $203,000 before taxes. If you're interested, if you'd like to take a look, even if you'd like to order and custom build this home, make sure you drop down in the description box and give Custom Homes of Cordele a call. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.